Driving in now is the 1510 service to Ayr. Oh, that's just the plane just taking off, guys. That was just the plane taking off. I bet there's a plane over there because they're one of my favourite planes. Right, we should be in... Wait, here it comes now. 380. Right, we've got 380, 116. So it's 380, 116 by the Ayr. Okay, first departing, it's just the 380 from Glasgow Central to Ayr. There it goes. There it goes. I just put it to full screen. There it goes. Right, guys, I've just realised that you can able to get some fast trains. We're gonna see if we can try and find one over here at Paislay, Gillmor Street. So we'll figure that out. Guys, have you been into Paislay? Because there's a beach next to it, and there's also there's also trains that go by too. So I hope you find a train over there. Right, let's just get started. We'll get started on this video. This is across the station.
Please do not platform edges for your own safety. Once again, some trains pass through the station without stopping. Please do not platform edges for your own safety. Thank you. Origin announcement, it is now possible to reintroduce train services between Ayr and Gillmor. Before travel, please check our website, app, and on social media for information. Whilst on station, speak to staff or use the station helplines. Bus service is not intended to run between Ayr and Gillmor. The existing timetable for train services between Ayr and Glasgow Central remain in place. We thank you for your patience and cooperation at this time. We hope you continue to station areas, and if you see something that does not right, speak to a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it sorted.
Guys, I just seen a couple of planes that just take off, so I just put the video running just in case there's any announcements. Really? Actually, right. Right. Right, we're gonna go to the other side. We got a perfect view, guys. We should be able to get some fast trains, so. Alright, there's just the Greenock Finney. This is going Greenock West, Port Matilda, and Greenock. Guys, It's just 15:21, so we've got 4 minutes until this train, until 15:25 train comes. So it won't take long now. So it's only near for at least half an hour, I think. Wow. This one is 15:35. This one's gonna take absolutely long. I think I'm gonna be here forever, guys. Wow. 15:36. Oh, 15:26. Oh, that could be the classroom of what we've got, guys. So it's just 15:23. So we will be able to get. We should be able. So no, it's just a number, like you can see that, guys. Right. But just arriving in now. This is the 15:25, so it's the Glasgow Central. That's just gonna be the I can hear it coming. It's a 380 No, 380 I got it absolutely wrong. Finally, there's a train. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep it rolling, guys, because there's a train arriving in to Glasgow Central. This train is for carriages. Oh, here it comes. It's from Gurek to Glasgow. Here it comes now. Oh, this one's about to depart. 38113. This one, off this one goes. There it goes. Right, there goes this one. Right for Glasgow Central. Right, off this one goes. There we go, 38113. Wow, isn't it? It's how fast it goes. Wow. Now, this video should be 9 minutes long, I think. That can't be a freight train, can it? If it was, I'll need to get up and get it. Right, I'll just pause this video. Right, guys, I want see by the time when I get to London, I'm gonna do loads of videos about it, send it onto YouTube, and all you guys can watch it, and it's gonna be absolutely cool. Well, it's gonna be lots, actually. So I bet there's gonna be any freight trains around here, or If we're unlucky to catch one, that's alright. So it's just 5 minutes for this Gook one to arrive. Guys, 4 minutes until this train arrives. 4 minutes till this train arrives. We can take a look at destination board again. I can hear a few constructions around here. Wow. Right.
It is now possible to reintroduce train services between here and Gillmor. Before travelling, please check our website, app, and social media for information. Bus station, speak to staff, or use the station points. Bus services are intended to run between here and Gillmor. The existing timetable for train services between here and Glasgow Central remain in place. We thank you for your patience and cooperation at this time. Please watch your footing in station areas, and if you see something that doesn't look right, speak to a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We're sorted. See it, sorted.
So, there should be another train around here somewhere. So 1 minute left and right, we're gonna go up to 1 minute. There we go. There'll be 15:35. 1.
The next train at platform 3 is the 15:35 Scotland service to Glasgow Central.
Right, guys.
Calling out Glasgow Central only.
Oh, the Gillmor train is arriving.
Platform 2 is the 15:35
Right.
Scotland service to
Gillmor. Right, just arriving in now is going to be a train from Glasgow Central to Gillmor. 380 9 380 double. Oh, that will be our train. The 13:35 service to Glasgow Central. Sorry you didn't get any fast trains, guys. We only got 380s, which is kind of okay. There goes that one. There goes that one. It's good. There's our 380, 012 and 380. And at the back of 380. No. Right. Guys, that'll be all for today. Please like and subscribe for more Jackson Hub. I'll see you in London.